Today we discuss interrelationship between parameters of two-port network. Means one parameter in terms of another parameter. First we discuss Z parameter in terms of Y parameter. Z, we know Z being the impedance and Y being the admittance. Z matrix is equal to inverse of Y matrix. Okay, means impedance is equal to reciprocal of admittance, or admittance is equal to reciprocal of impedance. You see here, you see Z matrix is equal to Y inverse, Y matrix inverse. Here Z parameter is Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. Y matrix is Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 of inverse. Then how we calculate the inverse matrix? You see, when we calculate the inverse of one matrix, the answer is adjoint of this matrix divided by determinant of this matrix. Suppose we calculate A inverse, adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Similarly, you see here what is the adjoint? These two positions are changes and these two are sign changes. Okay, here these two are positive present, that's why these sign changes means these two are negative. In this way, what is the determinant of this matrix? Delta y, determinant of this matrix, is equal to y11 into y22 minus y12 into y21. In this way, you calculate z11 is equal to y22 divided by delta y, z12 is equal to minus of y12 divided by delta y, z21 is equal to minus of y21 divided by delta y, z22 is equal to y11 divided by delta y. That is the Z parameter in terms of Y parameter. Suppose Y parameter is given, in this way calculate the Z parameter by using this formula. Next case, Z parameter in terms of ABCD parameter. ABCD parameter equation we know in the previous class already discussed. V1 is equal to AV2 minus BI2, I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2. From this equation 2, if we divide C in this equation, here C cancel out, that's why V2 is equal to 1 divided by C into I1 and plus D by C into I2. That is your equation number 3. Similarly, from equation 1, at the place of V2 we put equation 3. At the place of V2 we put equation 3. We get V1 is equal to A. At the place of V2 we put this total value, okay, minus of BI2 here present. Then if we solve this one, we get V1 is equal to A by C into I1 plus AD minus BC divided by C into I2, equation 4. Now we compare these two equations with Z parameter equations. You see here, comparing equation 4 and 3 with Z parameter equation. Comparing equation 4 and 3 with Z parameter equation. Then what is the Z parameter equation? V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. If we compare equation 4 with first equation and equation 3 with second equation, we get Z11 is equal to A by C, Z12 is equal to AD minus BC by C. This AD minus BC is equal to here written delta T. What is delta T? That is the determinant of transmission matrix or determinant of ABCD matrix. That is your AD minus BC divided by C. That is your delta T divided by C. And what is Z1? Z1 is equal to 1 by C. What is Z22? Z22 is equal to D by C. Okay, in this way we can calculate the Z parameter from ABCD parameter. If ABCD parameters are given, by using this formula we are able to calculate the Z parameters. Next, case 3, Z parameter in terms of hybrid parameter. First we know the equation of H parameter. First we write V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. That is your equation 1 and 2. From second equation, you see what is the value of V2? V2 means we divide H22 in every cases. If you divide H22 in this equation, we get V2 is equal to minus H21 divided by H22 into I1 and here plus 1 divided by H22 into I2. That is your equation number 3. And from first equation, same procedure. From first equation, at the place of V2 we put this right hand side values. If we put this right hand side values, we get V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12. At the place of V2 we write this one here. And if you solve this equation, then we get V1 is equal to h11 h22 minus h12 h21 divided by h22 into I1 plus h12 divided by h22 into I2. That is your equation 4. Similarly, now we comparing equation 4 and 3 with z parameter equation. Again we know z parameter equation v1 is equal to z11 I1 plus z12 I2 and v2 is equal to z21 I1 plus z22 I2. If we compare the first equation with equation 4 and second equation with equation 3, now we get these things. Here you see z11 is equal to h11 h22 minus h12 h21 divided by h22, which is equal to delta h divided by h22. Why delta h by divided by h22? You see, delta h means determinants of or determination of h parameter matrix. Okay, that is your delta h is equal to h11 h22 minus h12 h21, and similarly z12 is equal to h12 divided by h22, z21 is equal to minus h21 divided by h22, z22 is equal to 1 divided by h22. Means here we discuss z parameter in terms of y parameter, z parameter in terms of abcd parameter, z parameter in terms of h parameter. Similarly, if ask y parameter, you convert into y parameter in terms of h parameter, that is also present this derivation. But if you know z parameter in terms of y parameter, z parameter in terms of h parameter, you can interrelate this, no problem. Okay, that is called interrelationship between the various parameters of two-port network. Depending upon this formula, now we solve one example. You see, calculate the z parameter if the values of other parameters are given below. You see here, calculate the z parameter if the other parameter values are given. Suppose first abcd parameters are given. A is equal to 2, b is equal to -1, c is equal to 3, d is equal to -2. abcd parameters are given. Now our target is to calculate z parameter. We already discussed z parameter if in terms of abcd parameter. Then what is the formula for z11? A by c. A by c means you directly put the value. Here A is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. You get an impedance value in ohm. That's why unit is ohm. That's why z11 is equal to 2 by 3 ohm. Similarly, z12 is equal to del T by C. Delta T is equal to, that is the determinant of transmission matrix or T matrix, that is your AD minus BC by C. You just put the formula A into D. A into D, A is your 2, D is equal to -2, 2 into -2 -4, minus b into c. B is your -1, c is equal to 3. Then minus of -3, that is +3, which is equal to -1 by 3 ohm. Similarly, z21 is equal to 1 by c. That is your 1 divided by c value given 3. That is your 1 by 3 ohm. Similarly, z22 is equal to d by c. D by c means d is your -2, c is equal to 3, -2 by 3 ohm. In this way, if ABCD parameters are given, you directly calculate the z parameter. Similarly, second bit, you see here the h parameters are given. Okay, h11 is equal to 1, h12 is equal to -2, h21 is equal to -3, and h22 is equal to 2. If these values are given, now our target is to calculate z parameter from this given values. You see here z11 is equal to delta h divided by h22. What is delta h? Delta h we know, h11 into h22 minus h21 into h12 divided by h22. You put directly all these values. What is the value of h11? 1. What is the value of h22? That is your 2. 1 into 2 here 2. Then minus h12 into h21, that is your -2 into -3 plus 6. Again here minus sign is present, -6 divided by h22. h22 is equal to 2. Then 2 minus 6 divided by 2, -2 ohm. Similarly, z12 is equal to h12 divided by h22. You just put the values. h12 is equal to -2, h22 is equal to 2. You get -1. Then z21 is equal to minus h21 divided by h22. h21 is your -3, minus of -3 plus 3 divided by h22, that is your 2, 3 by 2 ohm. Similarly, z22 is equal to 1 divided by h22. 1 divided by h22 is your 2, that is your 1 by 2 ohm. Okay, and in this way we calculate, if all the values of h parameters are given, we calculate the z parameters. Okay, then next one, if y parameters are given, our target is to calculate z parameters. Means z parameter in terms of y parameter, that is the interrelationship. You see here, y11 is equal to 1 by 3, y12 is equal to 2 by 3, y21 is equal to -1 by 3, y22 is equal to 1 by 6 given. Then we calculate z parameter. directly use z11 is equal to y22 divided by delta y. What is delta y? y11 into y22 minus y12 into y21. Okay, you first calculate this one. Here y11 into y22, y11 1 by 3 into 1 by 6, 1 by 18, then minus of 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 3, that is your 2 by 9, minus of 2 by 9, minus minus plus 2 by 9 is equal to 5 by 18. In this way, here you put delta y. If delta y is equal to 5 by 18, when we multiply, that is 18 by 5. Okay, then this value is your 3 by 5 ohm, z11. Similarly, z12 is equal to minus 1 to divided by delta y, minus 1 to minus 2 by 3 into delta y 5 by 18, that is again 18 by 5 when we multiply, that is minus 12 by 5 ohm. Similarly, we use z21 is equal to minus y21 divided by delta y, that is your 1 by 3 into 18 by 5 is equal to 6 by 5 ohm. Similarly, z22 is equal to y11 divided by delta y, y11 is equal to 1 by 3, delta y is equal to 5 by 18, that is multiply 18 by 5, that is just 6 by 5 ohm. In this way we calculate. Okay, if the other parameters are given, suppose abcd parameter, h parameter, y parameter, we calculate the z parameters. That is the interrelationship between various parameters. Okay, we discuss in the next class. Thank you.